Hey guys and gals, this is the Homestead Prepper, and this is a story that I ran across today. And what it's about is the people of Oklahoma had a ballot initiative to prevent Sharia law from being used in the state, like in the courts. And, they overwhelmingly voted. They didn't want that in there. All they wanted were the Oklahoma state laws and the laws of the United States. And so they voted. They voted it down, and this 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, they declared that unconstitutional. So, the people of Oklahoma spoke out that they didn't want Sharia law in their courtroom, and these judges up here, they say no, that you should be able to. It violates the First Amendment. So, you think that, we the people have the power, and we don't. All we the people do are pay for people, jerks like this on this court, to overturn stuff. Now, I don't know how legal this is, or how, a judge has the power to do stuff, but I know in the state of California, as liberal as it is, 55% of the people voted down gay marriage. And that was overturned by a judge or a court or something like that. And I'm not against Islam. If you are Islam or Muslim or whatever, hey, I'm happy for you. But I don't think your law should be imposed, especially Sharia law, should be imposed here in the United States in a court of law. And for those of y'all who don't know what Sharia law is, y'all need to Google it, check it out. But basically, it gives gives a man the right to, behead his wife if he doesn't approve of what she's doing, or she disobeys him, and he can kill his 10-year-old daughter because he doesn't approve of things she's doing, and stuff like that. But they struck this law down. All those people got up and voted and all this, and then the judges just said no, sorry. So it says their reason was they didn't know of a single instance where an Oklahoma court had applied Sharia law. Well, yeah, not yet. But I think the goal of the Muslims is, they've already said it, they're not going to be happy until the Muslim flag flies at the White House. And in my opinion, we already have a Muslim in the White House. And he has openly talked about his Muslim faith. If you do some research on YouTube, there's some clips of him talking about that. So this is what's coming to America. And like I said, we the people, we have no say-so in anything. And I know a couple people say they're not even going to vote this election because they say it doesn't matter. The politicians do what they want to do. I mean, that's kind of a crappy attitude, but I don't know. But what's really got me fired up here, when I'll try to leave a link to this video if I can figure out how to do it, is I got this jury duty thing here. Federal jury duty. And I was supposed to show up Tuesday, January 3rd, but you're supposed to call before, and they keep putting me off. Keep calling, keep putting me off. I'm supposed to call this Friday. But what I wanted to say is, if I'm a juror and, some guy, kills his 9-year-old daughter, because she was looking at something on the internet or whatever, I'm sorry, you're guilty. I don't care what kind of law you invoke. Of course, I guess if they go by Sharia law, then there'll be no charges. But another thing, I'm going to this jury duty thing here, and this may sound, I don't know, kind of strange to you or whatever, but if I'm up there and they have some case where some lady was going through a drive-through and she spilled hot coffee on her crotch, and she wants $2.4 million, I'm going to say no, I'm sorry, you don't deserve that. And she didn't even deserve, when it was rescinded, to $600-something thousand. And if I'm on a jury and somebody's trying to be convicted of illegal weapons, no, I'm sorry, not guilty because of the Second Amendment. Now, if you're doing something illegal with those weapons, a crime, then yeah, I'm going to recommend the maximum sentence. And also, like if I were to be on a trial where someone was killed at a university, where you're not allowed to protect yourself, then, I'm going to side with the plaintiff. I think they should get some money because at university, they don't allow you to protect yourself. And, you're more or less at the mercy of whoever shows up around there. So, anyway, these are just some of my feelings. And I would love to hear your comments and your feedback. And this is the Homestead Prepper, out.